Many HP printers lacking a display screen can still connect to Wi-Fi. This is typically achieved using WPS, HP Smart App, or USB setup. The first method is WPS. Press the WPS button on your router, then on your printer. Make sure your router supports WPS. The second method uses the HP Smart App. Download the app on your smartphone or computer and follow the setup instructions. The third method uses USB setup. Connect the printer to your computer with a USB cable, install drivers, then switch to wireless printing. Let's get your printer online using WPS. First, press the WPS button on your router. Next, explore using the HP Smart App on your computer or mobile device. Install the app, select your printer, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi. Finally, if the other methods fail, temporarily connect your printer to your computer via USB. Install the necessary drivers and use HP Smart or the printer's software to configure the Wi-Fi connection. Once setup is complete, you can disconnect the USB cable.